Not long ago, this land was underwater. Today, 60 new homes stand tall, each one a promise rebuilt after the flood. Families once displaced now wake up under their own roofs again. The cattle are fed again. The rhythm of village life picks up where it was left. Kitchens that had vanished are warm again, filled with the smell of flatbreads and the comfort of home. Where clean water was once a struggle, a new tank now serves the entire community. Dignity in every drop. Floods may have taken the harvest, but not the hands that plant. Farming begins anew. Every rebuilt home, every reopened book, every morning like this is proof that recovery is not just possible, it's happening. And in the echoes of children's laughter, we hear what was nearly lost, found again.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, मैं निसार अमन खुशो गोट हाजी कायम खुशो से। सर, ये जो 2022 में सैलाब आया था, हमारे घर मकान सारे ख़त्म हो गए थे और फसल वगैरह तबाह हो गई थी। हम टेंटों में बैठे हुए थे। अभी मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ इदारा अल खैर और ताकत फाउंडेशन का, जिसने हमारे को ये घर बना के दिए हैं। जैसे अभी हम अपनी फैमिलियाँ लेके घरों में बैठे हुए हैं, मैं उनके शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ।